I'm a longtime user of 704 gear knives. Actually, my everyday carry is a 704 gear knife, as you can see right here. And they actually reached out to me and gifted me this knife in exchange for a little bit of feedback. So I thought we'd open it up together and check it out a little bit. Looks like this is the Swarm by 704 Tactical. This one is in their black. This is a full-size knife, full-sized pocket knife here. Feels like that is probably a little over 4.5 inches closed. Yeah, 4 3/4 inches closed. Very smooth opening. It's got an index assisted opening. I don't know if you caught that. It's got this little nub on the outside so that you can kind of pop it. The knife itself closed. It does have a little bit of a retention click to it. I like that, so it's not just randomly falling open. I do love that it has these thumb studs on both sides here so that you can use a thumb assisted opening in case you don't want to do the index assisted opening. The knife blade itself is their D2 steel, which all of these are, which makes a very durable steel. Comes pre-sharpened, sharpened very well. What they use on their case shells here, this is not a plastic. It is a fiberglass laminate. It's like a composite, which makes it feel very strong in your hand. It doesn't feel like you're holding a plastic knife. Makes it very strong, but a lot lighter than it would have to be if it were fully metal. Blade itself sits really nice and well in the case. There's no play in the blade. Okay, now one thing I don't love about this knife, one thing that you might be aware of, but I think will fix itself over time. These are liner lock style or shell lock or spine lock, however you want to title these. But it has this locking mechanism inside which keeps the blade nice and tight and where it should be. This one is a little bit tight though to close. You got to put quite a bit of effort into sliding that out of the way, which on one hand is good because you wouldn't want it to easily slide out of the way, but it's a little tighter in there than I've seen any of their knives before. Man, overall, I think this Swarm by 704 gear is a good everyday carry knife. If you're looking for a good knife that isn't too bulky, but is still a full-sized knife, I think this might be the way to go. Check them out.